2003 Ford F-150 FX4 four-wheel drive, one owner, 87,000 original miles. All four doors open up. Alloy wheels. Tow package. This is a one owner, all original vehicle. Automatic transmission. Fog lights, tow package, front and rear. Cloth seats, non-smoking vehicle, one owner. Cruise control, tilt wheel, locks, mirrors, windows. Four by four, both sets of keys, keyless entries, original mats. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like new, in and out. (2003) Ford F-150 FX4 4x4 four-door extended cab. Super low miles, one owner.